Interesting. And you keep insulting me, saying, Kinikonko, Igbashawo. I don't care. I don't care. I cannot be dying and keep quiet about it. Most videos, I don't do videos all the time, but when I can, I just do it. I'm literally just focused on my business.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, Wahala Bella Bicycle. This matter of Lemon and the wife don't pass Jeremy. So the wife do video today because people they insult her when she send that voice paper to Lemon. People they insult her. They say she is not a nice person. They cannot give birth to a person like her. All those women when they write this thing, I hope una dey okay, sha. No matter money wey man get, and because Lemon get money, una no wan make she lose that kind of thing. But the family when they insult anyhow for social media, una go fit bear am if una dey that girl shoe. Una go just dey say make she go back, make she go back. Me, not be say I like make person dey that voice or say as a young lady marry, but Lemon is too lousy. Lemon, the way Lemon take dey insult this gay family, God forbid. There is no man like if me with my husband dey quarrel, just insult me. My family, no. That one I no go area. Which money you get? Because of money, I will come there, they die in silence. Tomorrow, if you quarrel again, you see carry they insult my family. Then later you say, a big auntie not call you Tina. I should go call you. The insult when you give that woman alone. You see the expect she calls you. Or because they give them money. Which money? Lemon insult this girl family too much before they get this girl call this before they get called this insult a family too. Who does that? Now because of that one, me no say I make that girl say no, it not fit. The way the Lemon humiliate the family was too much. It was really too much. Lemon, this one is my advice to you. If you see marry another woman tomorrow, you do the same thing. The woman will still come and leave you. Why should I want to tolerate that one because maybe you get money or because you be a celebrity? You can't they die in silence. As the video popular rich, when he born that their son will die. You know they say Shoma not going to make you give a name, or because he never put money for your head. Now Shoma give the pikin name. He not agree because they get tradition. Not this everybody the mumu. Because say this girl, no, the family not to get now. She will call you the mumu follow Lemon. No. Lemon have to change. He need to apologize to that girl. He insult the family too much. Don't they insult the family like that? Where you marry from is not good to the insult the family. It's very bad. If woman do and too, they bad. Talk less of you with your wife, they quarrel. The next thing at the family with the insult. That's why you spend money for them. That's why you give them. Now you start them. They force you, you give them money. I will not be just carry money they give them. Now if you want they do one. The insult you gave to the family was too much, Lemon. The truth have to be said here. My people, I beg, if not they insult the girl, more than suffer the insulter. More than they give Lemon in you, so that make you know say him do wrong too. So my people, I put the video make una see. More than me share this video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
So concerning the fact that I gave my husband a divorce paper, listen, you know everybody are disturbing and saying I'm not supposed to give him, I'm a thief, I'm this, I'm that. I really don't care because someone that I no longer find peace with, there's no way I can continue staying with that person. Marriage is not a do or die thing. Because I'm married to a popular person or I'm married to a star or somebody that has money, it doesn't mean I have to die there. I can't die there. It's not working out for the both of us. So the best thing is to just separate. And all this one, he's ranting and saying all kind of things. You all are insulting me. You don't know what I'm going through. So nobody has any right to judge me. Like I always say, it's what he wants you guys to see. He will put out there. So you will see it and talk. For me, I am done. And I will not let anybody try to use me or like because you have money, you feel you can always talk to my family. Yes. We don't have to separate due to the fact that maybe one of us is cheating. The fact that you even disrespected me and my family and you brought us outside, I can't take that. And the only thing I'm doing is fighting for my rights. I am not just coming out there to talk, and I'm only fighting for my rights. So you all should just stop everything that you're doing. I really don't care about what anybody thinks anymore. I really don't care about what anybody thinks anymore. So if you all think you can continue insulting and if you think you can continue insulting and ranting, it's really very bad. It's really bad, because I don't see any reason why anybody should be like judging me and saying all sort of things when you don't even know me in person. You don't know me in person and you keep insulting me, saying kinikon igbashawo. I don't care. I don't care. I cannot be dying and keep quiet about it. Most videos, I don't do videos all the time, but when I can, I just do it. I'm literally just focused on my business. You have your projects, fine. I have my own wares that I sell. I have things that I sell. So please focus on yourself. Your uncle said I should leave the house for 3 weeks. I left the house for you and I filed a divorce. So stop making me look like a bad person because I gave you a divorce paper. Or please, I am not the first person to serve anybody a divorce paper. I am not. Everybody said you don't have a child for him, you want to collect. Do I need to have a child before I collect some? Sure, he has money. And I got him back. You guys should support him now. Support him. I think he has called my name already. He has called me all sorts of names. He will pay for the damages because he brought me out and spoilt my name. So he will pay for the damages. Or do you think just dragging me and saying all sorts of things is just going to die like that? Calling me a prostitute, calling me a smoker, a drunkard. He has given some nonchalant people the mouth to be able to insult me. Some come into my DM. See, I posted my number on my page for my business. My number is on my page for my business. Do not chat me to tell me anything concerning Lemon's problem. I will block you immediately. I will block you. Nobody should come to me and insult me concerning Lemon. I don't like it. I don't. All because of Lemon, I'm called a bad person. All because of Lemon, I've been called an illiterate. All because of Lemon, I've been called a drunkard, a smoker. Have you guys seen all those things in my hand? You didn't see it in my hand, so why are you all always trying to like accuse? You guys don't want to see that yes, this boy is at fault. You guys don't want to see that yes, he did something wrong. Some women out there that are mothers are saying they cannot give birth to a child like me. Most of you, your children are worse in school. Most of you, your children are prostitutes. They are doing all sorts of things in school. I am far more better. I did not steal. I only filed for a divorce and 50% of his shares. I did not steal. Some of you gave birth to armed robbers. And I don't pray God give me that as a child. But before you insult somebody, you look at yourself very well. Nobody has any right to insult me. Most of you, your children, your brothers, your sisters are drug addicts out there that they don't even have a cure. They are now coming to me. You're calling me all sorts of names. I'm a gold digger. I'm a drunkard. I beg you. And my husband own I collect. I don't collect another person's thing. I don't see person's thing. I only collected from my husband. I didn't even steal from him. So if you feel you're going to, if you want to insult me, check yourself first before you insult me. You guys should stop coming to me as if I did one evil thing. Or I beg, you guys should stop it. You're not better. I'm stressed already. Look at me, see where I am. I'm stressed already. I beg you. I beg. The only thing I need right now is supporters of my business. If you're not contributing to my business, you're not patronizing, you're not doing it, don't come to me and talk to me about Lemon. You people should stop it. My focus now is my business, and that's the only thing I want to do. You should also focus on your prank and whatever comedies you've been doing before I came into your life. Stop stressing me. You're stressing me. You're letting me have headache every single day. I see everything you post online. Your brother came yesterday too. He was ranting and shouting. If you see me, what do you want to do me? If you see me, what do you want me? You cannot do anything. I pity you people. I pity you. I don't have much to say, but I promise you we'll meet in court. And whatever happens, fine. If it goes on your side, fine. And if it goes on mine, fine. But don't pressure me. Don't even try to cause. Stop stressing me at all. I don't like it.